Girlfriend, does it feel like every time you finally get ahead, something knocks your whole budget off track? One week is school, it's a school field trip, the next is a car repair, and just like that, you're back to square one. But in this video, I'm going to show you a simple, powerful way to stop that cycle with something called a sinking fund. In this video, you'll learn what a sinking fund is, how it's different from an emergency fund, and why every single mom needs one, and how to use my Gracefully Simplified Sinking Funds tracker. And stick around to the end. I'm sharing a powerful bonus tip that'll shift how you speak over your money and invite God into your budget. Let's jump into it. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Welcome back to my channel, Gracefully Simplified. I'm Jenny, your budget coach, single mama 3, your go-to girlfriend for managing money with faith and intention. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here again. I appreciate you more than you know. And if you're new here, hey girlfriend, I'm so glad you are here. On this channel, we talk about budgeting, planning, and simplifying life as a woman of faith without shame, without guilt, and covered by God's grace. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's grow together gracefully. What is a sinking fund? A sinking fund is your money you save little by little for something you know is coming. Think Christmas, birthdays, back to school shopping, car maintenance. Now, on the other hand, an emergency fund, that is what you don't expect, like a flat tire, a medical bill, or job loss. These are all the things that you don't expect coming. Here's the difference. Sinking funds equal planned expenses. Emergency funds equal unplanned emergencies. Sinking funds help you stay ready so you're not panicking or swiping your credit card when life happens. That's called peace. Why single moms need sinking funds? As a single mom, I know what it is like to carry everything on your shoulder. Finances, schedules, emotions, groceries, goals, all of it. And when something unexpected just pops up, it feels like your whole world is spinning. Trust me, I know, and I've been there. That's why sinking funds are a must. You're not just saving, you are preparing. You're building peace into your budget. Even $10 a paycheck adds up. And when it's time to pay for something, the money is already there. That's budgeting with faith, not fear. So how to start a sinking fund? Here's how we get started. 1, pick 1 to 3 categories to begin with, like Christmas or car repairs. You don't want to overwhelm yourself with all of these categories and then just get really overwhelmed and you're not really saving for anything. So 1 to 3 categories is good to start with. Decide how much you need and when you need it by. So prime examples, Christmas. We can say it's March. So what? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we have 9 months till March. You may want to say, I want to save $900 for Christmas. So that's $100 a month from here on out, and you'll reach your $900 goal. And 3, you divide the goal by how many months or paycheck you have left. So that's basically what you do. You just divide it all, and that's what you'll save each time. Now, I want to show you my actual sinking funds wallet. So this is my sinking funds wallet. My first one is Christmas. Y'all see, I only got $23 in here. I haven't really been saving for Christmas. But this Christmas usually is big for me that I'm just really not prepared sometimes. But I said this year I'm going to be more prepared for Christmas. And you just put the cash in there. I have, I think this is like $23 in ones. I need to probably consolidate this. There shouldn't be this many ones in here. But this is about $23 in ones in this one. The next one is a medical, $26 in medical. This is more for like co-pays or like when I take my kids to the dentist, any prescriptions for me or my kids, this will come out of this fund. So this is medical. The next one, you'll see, I don't have nothing in here yet because I just started. This is car maintenance, because everybody know cars always have something that needs to be done to it, whether it's oil change, whether it's your registration, your stickers, there's always something. Birthdays, this is more for like my kids' birthday or birthdays of my family. this is a really good one. And again, I'm just starting this, so it's really nothing in here. And debt. This one is more of like, I think what I'm going to do with the debt one is really start to put money aside for my debt. Like my first credit card I want to pay off, the balance is like $600. So I think once I get to $600, then I'll just take the money out of here and just pay off that credit card. So this kind of helps to just, if you have small credit cards or small debts that you want to pay off, this will help with it. And aid in school, this is my youngest son. This is just more for like his lunches, his school supplies, field trips, stuff like that, because my other two are graduated, so they're out of school. So I just really have one more in school. So this is really how the categories look. I really love it. This is my little sinking funds wallet. Next thing I wanted to show was my sinking funds tracker that I created. I hope you guys can really see this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so you really get to see it. Okay. So this is the sinking funds tracker. So basically on the left side, you see the categories, and this can be adjusted to be more personalized for you. I have Christmas, car maintenance, birthdays, clothing, annual membership, and home repairs. So these are the categories. Now at the top is going to be the goal amount, the amount saved, the remaining, the due date, and the amount that you will want to put every month or per paycheck. So prime example, I could say for Christmas, let's just say that use the same example, $900. We can say we didn't save anything, right? We didn't save anything. So what's the remaining? The remaining would be 900, and we want it by 11/1, which is November 2025, right? And we can just divide that. So let's just say it's $100 that we have to save per month to meet this due date of 11/1. I may be off a little bit, but this is just an example of what you would do. So basically, this is how the sinking tracker works. You basically going to put the amount you want to save. I mean, the goal amount, the amount you want to save, the remaining, the due date, and the monthly. Like, okay, I need to put up $100 a month, or maybe every paycheck. You may can say, you know what, I could put $50 aside every paycheck if you get paid bi-weekly to reach a goal of 900. Now, also too, I have on here at the bottom is notes. And these note part is just always like, let's just say maybe something in here you want to add notes. I know for me, like Andrew's birthday party. I'm having a graduation party for my son. So maybe I want to put some notes here, or you could just write anything really on here to just reflect of your sinking funds. So it's just simple and easy, something to just allow yourself to track, and it's really simple. And the link in my bio, there will be a link in my bio for anyone that's interested in the sinking funds tracker. Here's the bonus tip that I promise, and it's the most powerful one of all. Don't just save, pray over it. Speak life over your money. Proverbs 18:21 says, life and death are in the power of the tongue. So let's use our words to build our future. Add a scripture or an affirmation to each fund. As scripture could be debt payoff, I'm the lender, not the borrower. For medical, could be by his stripes we're healed. For school, it could be, for my son's school, could be God will supply all of my needs. Affirmations could be my budget is blessed. God honors my faith and my effort. I'm creating peace for my family one step at a time. This is more than budgeting, it's faith in action. If you learned something new today, go ahead and hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss another video. And sis, keep an eye out, because in my next video, I'll be sharing the best budgeting apps I personally use every day. These apps have made budgeting 10 times easier for me, and I know that they will bless you too. Take one step at a time, budget with faith, and prosper with grace.